Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Got a story here, March the 8th, 2019. A court in Florida has ruled that Royal Caribbean is going to have to pay damages in the amount of $3.38 million to the family of a gentleman who died of a heart attack while on board one of Royal Caribbean's ships. The ship was taking a cruise to Alaska. The 70-year-old gentleman had a heart condition. He was taken to the infirmary and was the doctor on board was dealing with a cardiac incident that unfortunately turned into a fatal heart attack. And the court was convinced that the doctor on board had made a number of mistakes during treatment of this gentleman. The family was awarded $34,390 in medical bills and $4.8 million for pain and suffering and loss of companionship. The jury, however, found the cruise line 70% liable for this judgment, and so the final number came out at $3.38 million. Now, this case is one of a number that are in the courts as we speak. This is not an uncommon event. We just heard of an Illinois woman that had a stroke on board a Holland America ship near the Bahamas. The doctor ordered the ship along with the captain to go to the nearest medical facility on land. They got her into a hospital in the Bahamas. Unfortunately, the hospital they landed at could not deal with a stroke situation, and she had to be medevac 9 hours later back to Florida. And by the time she got into the treatment center there that could take care of a stroke issue, the brain damage was so bad that she will never recover again, and that is in the courts among many others. The question, of course, is what do we do with regards to medical insurance, and how liable are these cruise lines? People board cruise ships all the time in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s, and they bring with them their own medical conditions. The minute you step foot on a cruise ship, is it the cruise ship's problem that you have medical issues, or are they liable if something happens to you? Some courts agree, some courts don't. We're going to have to follow these stories because at the end, it sounds rather remarkable to get a $3.38 million settlement, but bottom line is you and I will pay that as passengers going forward. These cruise lines pass on the costs, and you have to ask yourself, are we really liable for this? Should we really be paying this? I don't know. Anyway, join me Monday to Friday. We discuss topics like this, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel today and hit the bell notification icon, and I'll keep you posted on cruise developments as they occur. Thanks for joining me today, everybody. Bye for now.